Good morning. I'm Chris Dockery, the chairman of the Lumpkin County Board of Commissioners. We're here this morning with Commissioner Rhett Stringer, who represents our board on the Water Authority, to talk a little bit about our recent expansion of water lines. What you see behind us here today is 12-inch ductile iron water lines. This is part of a project where we're expanding water to certain parts of the county. Commissioner Stringer will talk briefly about that expansion in more detail in a moment. But some of the benefits of this water line is we're able to encourage economic growth and development in certain parts of the county, along with improving the ability for our firefighters and first responders, along with a water line that connects some of our closed systems to a greater system. Also, it will allow us to have more hydrants around Lumpkin County, and the fire hydrants are a big part for public safety and a benefit to the citizens of the county. I'm here with Commissioner Stringer, and I'm going to let him talk a little bit about some of the specific details of the project that you may have seen in this area.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Like he mentioned, we've got two phases going currently right now. Phase one is out on our area in Castleberry, and it is already complete, and I've got some numbers for you on it. It was 13,300 feet of 12-inch water line. There's 14 new fire hydrants. Across the bridge at the Etowah and goes back up on the top of the hill to the new development there. And the approximate cost for that phase was $1.13 million. Phase two is where we're standing here now on Old Dahlonega Highway. We're going to be tying the 400 water system in that is currently coming off of Red Oak Flats, coming down Old Dahlonega Highway on 52 East, going to Long Branch School, and then back down Long Branch Extension, tying into the Copper Pines water system that is a system that the county currently operates. They've got good wells, so it's going to benefit both ways. We'll pull some more water into the 400 water system and also be able to provide them with fire protection and more water if they ever were to need it. And the specifics on that phase is 10,000 feet of 12-inch line, 5,600 feet of 8-inch line. There'll be 13 new hydrants. One will be right here at the end of Old Dahlonega on 52 East, which will help serve all the way to the county line. Right now, Long Branch School is the closest place they can pull water than other than Red Oak Flats Road or at the end of Long Branch at 400. So this will be big for the whole east side and all the way up the right-hand side of the county in the future. The cost on this side is $1.17 million. And for some project total numbers, it's going to end up being 23,300 feet of water line, of 12-inch water line, 5,600 feet of 8-inch line, and 27 new fire hydrants for a total cost of $2.3 million. And this is funded with a GFA loan that the Water Authority will be paying back over a 30-year period. So the taxpayers are getting a lot of bang for their buck on this. And this will help encourage some of these tracts that are developing over in the Castleberry area, getting them tied onto the county water system to help fund all these projects that are helping the whole county. So thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah, absolutely. And in closing, I'll just say that the Board of Commissioners, the Water Authority, we're all committed to seeing this expansion take place in Lumpkin County. We realize that as far as the water infrastructure in the county, we're behind. We're doing our best to catch up. We certainly appreciate the voters that supported the special purpose local option sales tax that dedicated $4 million to infrastructure improvements, along with the Georgia Environmental Finance Authority loan that Commissioner Stringer mentioned. Those things really help us to catch up on our infrastructure, and we think it's the way forward in the future. So we appreciate the public support, and again, you've got the commitment of the Board of Commissioners and the Water Authority as we improve the infrastructure in our community. Thank you very much.